Hello, this is Oliver at Bedford Car Sales, and this is the walk around video for our 73 plate Toyota RAV4. So lovely looking thing, as you can see. This really nice indeed. Obviously not even quite 3 years old yet. Lovely looking thing. So petrol hybrid, of course, as all these modern Toyotas are. Overall really nice indeed. Local car from Stephen Eagle Group. Last service done with Stephen Eagle Toyota in Bedford, so just up the road from us in Bromham. Lovely looking thing. One owner from new as well, so lovely car, very low mileage, very nice condition, lovely spec. Colour's stunning in all fairness. This sort of primer grey almost, really nice indeed. Photographs don't really do it justice. So let's open her up, mirrors unfold, we'll show you around the inside. So we've got a two-tone leather interior, really nice, sort of a cream to the top and then this lovely grey running through the centre. Seat bolsters and seat base, overall lovely condition, really nice indeed. These are so ridiculously well spec'd. So you've got electric memory seating, power folding mirrors obviously, as you would expect, all the usual toys. It's a lovely thing. Let's jump in, I'll show you around a little bit more. So keyless go, let's press down there we go, and she's on. So kick the petrol engine in whilst we're doing all of this. So spec wise, these are fantastic, to be honest with you. They've got absolutely loads of them. So you've got auto lights, of course, you've got auto wipers, you've also got radar assistance there, you've got cruise control, you've also got as well lane assist on this one as well, voice control. It's got everything you could possibly want, really nice indeed. Down here, numerous different buttons down here. So you've got auto main beam, you've got view button, which is for the camera system, like so. So it gives you this sort of 360 view going around the car. Look at that, fabulous, really nice, really clever actually, really clever. Electronically heated front screen. You've also got a heated steering wheel on this one as well, and of course heated seats. Tucked away over here, you have a low and a high setting for that. So just pop it into reverse. So there's that 360 camera system again, along with the reverse cam. So that screen isn't flickering, that's just the frame rate on my camera. Unfortunately, the brighter I get into the light, it's difficult to catch at an angle where it's not flickering, unfortunately. But overall, nice looking thing. So we've got an EV mode down here as well. So you've got straight EV mode. You look at the instrument cluster down here. Mileage on the car, 22,122, so very low mileage, very nice indeed. It's a really nice looking car, in all fairness. I drove this for a couple of days when it came in. It drives fantastic, does everything you would expect it to do. Really nice, really smooth, excellent all-round car, in all fairness, excellent. So climate control air conditioning as well, as you would expect. Aircon's freezing cold, absolutely lovely. Tucked away inside the glove box, full book pack and locking wheel nut key, all present and correct. Inside the armrest, we've got a couple of USB-C ports in here, so charging sockets, loads of additional storage and a little coin tray as well. Cup holders down here, another additional USB and a 12 volt as well, tucked away under here. It's a lovely little storage area, perfect place to keep your phone, in all fairness. So you've got an auto hold function on the electronic parking brake. You've got sport, normal and eco mode as well. So it does lots of different things, So nav screen, as you can see, massive, really clear, really easy to use. It's very nicely put together. Obviously it's all touch screen as well, which is nice to see. So from the point of view of audio, you can Bluetooth your music in, obviously, and you've got DAB and FM, and of course you've got apps down here and Mirrorcast and stuff like that. So Mirrorcast is where you can screen mirror your phone. As I say, overall really nice indeed. So let's just pop it on DAB for a minute, see if we can find something playing some music that's not too abrasive.
Has returned home to a hero's welcome.
Stereo system's very crisp.
The BBC understands that the man arrested after two Jewish men were stabbed in North.
Very crisp stereo. Everything on it's just very nice, in all fairness. Bluetooth telephone, obviously, and you've got numerous different car-related items going on here. So MPG and stuff like that. All sorts of information on there. What your best MPG is 49.3 MPG, best MPG, which I think is bloody good, really, for the size of the car. Overall, really nice indeed. She's a lovely thing. It's beautifully put together. Of course, it's a Toyota, so it's very well made. Everything's very easy to use, very straightforward, as you can see. apologies for this lighting, it really does make this frame rate even worse on this camera. So as I say, overall really nice car, all the usual bits, sunglasses holder tucked away up there and stuff like that. She's a really nice thing. What I'm going to do is switch this heated seat off because it's very slowly cooking me. So as I say, overall lovely looking thing. So at the moment we have the petrol engine engaged currently. So depending on what mode you're in, there's numerous different things you can do. So if you go to sport, it makes things a little bit more entertaining. Overall, yeah, lovely thing. Obviously, petrol engine only cuts in when it wants to on this. That little logo there's for your lane assist, which is on and off like so. And obviously you've got the radar assisted as well. It's a nice car, very well put together, very well laid out. Lovely thing in all fairness. Right, let's jump out. I shall show you around a little bit more. We'll pop the bonnet so we can show you under there in a moment as well. Open the boot. Electronic tailgate, as you would expect on a car of this calibre. Wheels are really nice, this sort of shadow chrome effect, very nice indeed. Rear seat condition, beautiful. I would say this car's seen little to no use in the rear. Mats are in lovely condition. Tucked away down here, got a couple of USB-C charging sockets again. Loads of legroom in these. That's in my driving position. I'm just about 6 foot tall. It's actually loads of space. Really good indeed. So if we go around to the boot, again, boot space, cavernous. Absolutely huge on these. Massive boot. Really nice indeed. And something unusual to see these days, a space saver spare wheel. Not something you see very often anymore, but a nice touch. Load cover comes across like so to cover up all your valuables. So shut that boot down. Overall, she's a nice looking thing. So socket wise and whatnot, so petrol cap and whatnot under there obviously. So this is a standard hybrid, so it's not a plug-in, so it charges as you drive. So ridiculously low mileage. Seat condition again, front, beautiful, same as the drivers. Absolutely lovely. Leather quality is really nice in these as well. It's quite a fine leather, it's really nice indeed. Now to the business end of it. Petrol engine may kick in whilst we're under here. So there we go. 4-cylinder petrol engine, spotless under there, but at 22,000 miles, one would expect no less. Overall, it's absolutely lovely. Really nice, really clean, really tidy. Nothing really to note. It's a nice, low mileage, one owner car. LED daytime running lights coming round like so, very sharp. There's that front camera there for the 360. Overall, really nice. It's a lovely looking thing. So if you're after a very well-spec'd family 4x4 hybrid variant, Toyota's is always a fantastic option. Excellent reliability, superb build quality. Look no further. I think she's a fabulous looking thing. So this concludes my walk around video. If you have any questions, anything at all, please do not hesitate to either give us a call, ping us over a message, or send us an email, and we'll do our very best to help you. Hope you've enjoyed the video today, and thank you very much for watching.